Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am doing a chocolate Oreo drip cake. I am starting off with 4 8-inch round chocolate cake. This is my chocolate cake recipe. I will leave the link to the video in the description box below. I'm also using my buttercream recipe, and I just added some crushed up Oreos to my frosting. I'm making sure all my cakes are even when I am stacking, because this will be a tall cake and so I don't want my cake tilting. Now on to frosting my cake. I decided not to do a crumb coat today just because my frosting is already filled with crumbs anyways, and so I figured it wouldn't make much of a difference if I did a crumb coat or not. And I'm just making sure that my cake is fully covered. Now on to straightening the sides. I am just using my cake scraper just to make sure that my sides are nice and straight, and just filling in any gap that I need to within the frosting. Now that my sides are all straight, I am going to place this into the freezer for it to chill before I put it on my ganache. And here I'm using one bag, which is a 12-ounce bag of chocolate chips. I'm adding about 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. I will place this into the microwave for about 1 minute and 30 seconds and then just stirring it up until the two have combined to make it into a smooth consistency. And then I just set it aside. I make sure that it's covered with plastic wrap, and then make sure that it has enough time to cool down before I start dripping that onto my cake. Now it's time for the chocolate drip. My ganache has cooled down, as well as my cake. I had just taken that out from the freezer. And I'm also covering the top of my cake with the ganache. I'm just spreading it out evenly onto the cake. And then I'll do a swirl on the top as well also. Now I didn't show a video clip of how I put the cake together as far as the toppings go, but This is what my cake looks like. It actually says straight out of the 20s because this is a 30th birthday cake. I added some Oreos to this as well as some chocolate, and then I used a 6B tip to pipe on some more buttercream. Hopefully you guys liked my video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.